In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating double circle design using Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation or adding flair to a social media post, mastering this design will give your project that extra oomph. Let's dive in and get creative. First, we'll begin by opening your Canva project. If you haven't already, sign into your account and navigate to the project where you'd like to incorporate this design. Once inside your project, your canvas should be ready to be transformed into something visually appealing. The next step involves creating the hallmark of this design, the double circle. To do this, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your Canva interface. In the search bar, type circle and browse through the options. For our purposes, you'll want to choose a circle with a thick border and another with a thin border. Once you've selected your circle elements, place the thin bordered circle inside the thicker one. This creates the foundation for your double circle design. Now, onto adding text to your creation. Click on the Text tab and insert your desired text into the center of the double circle. This is where your design can become personalized. Maybe add a title, a quote, or a name, really anything that fits within the context of your project. Ensure that the font style and size are to your liking to maintain readability and visual harmony. You might notice that the text within the circle could get a bit drowned out by the design elements. Don't worry, there's a neat trick to make the text stand out. Select a rectangle shape from the Elements tab and position it behind your text. To do this, drag it onto your canvas and adjust its size to fit behind your text snugly. Once in place, move it backward by right-clicking and selecting Send to Back, or using the position tools in the top menu. This ensures that the rectangle doesn't overlap your text. For the finishing touch, change the rectangle's color so that it matches the background color of your project. This subtle addition not only helps make your text pop, but also provides a seamless look to the design, aligning it cohesively with the rest of your project. And there you have it, a sleek, professional double circle design that's sure to impress viewers. With just a few simple steps, you've elevated your project's aesthetic and potentially elevated the impact of your message. This technique can be adapted to suit various themes and styles, so feel free to experiment with different colors, fonts, and additional elements to make your design truly unique. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to incorporate this technique into your future projects. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.